Hi, everybody. Hi, this is Maggie, 660. Uh, everybody calls me Magdalena. This is a video response to Sybil's. Hi, Sybil. She's having a giveaway for her birthday. And so I said, you know what? Let me try to do this so that we can get rid of fear, the fear of showing my face, the fear of speaking. And so here I am. Uh, In this video response, I'm supposed to share 5 things about me, none craft related, and one craft related. So here we go. The first one is I am a food channel addicted to the food channel. I love all kinds of foods, and loved it so much that I got myself registered in a culinary school, and I did it for a year, and then I had to stop because it really got expensive. Oh, forgive the glare. I'm trying to get rid of this glare on my glasses. But anyway, and so I went and registered myself at a culinary school and have fun because I was surrounded by young people. Um, So that's one. Number two, I'm a retiree. I retired from the city. I was a city employer. I retired in 1995, and so I'm home with a lot of time in my hands. And so I got myself a computer and I started searching and going here and there and lined up on YouTube. I was really looking for music because I love salsa and I was just looking for the latest salsa steps and whatnot. I wind up in the crafting channel, the crafting community. And voila, I got hooked. I got hooked with watching you guys doing minis, doing cars, doing all these beautiful projects. And I said, you know what? I'm home with all this time. And then just you know, have all this free time. Let me try to do these things. Let me copy. Let me learn. And I did. And so I started watching all you guys, watching your projects and and learning from you guys. And so, I started searching. I said, let me create my own account, YouTube account. Let me learn how to upload. And so that's how I got started with YouTube. Uh, Never thinking that you guys so good at what you do were even going to subscribe to me or even comment on my stuff. I said, wow, they really like my stuff. Oh, God. So that's fun for me. And it keeps me busy doing something other than, uh, you know, other responsibilities that I have. Uh, Number three, I just recently got a cat about a year. I was not a cat lover. Pet lover. I mean, I like pets, but I didn't like them to have them in my apartment, in my house, because I thought it was too cruel to keep animals locked up in my apartment since I worked and then I had kids, and so it's like, but I recently got a kitten. Her name is Cindy. She's around here somewhere. She'll come around looking for some love in a few minutes. We have this mother cat relationship going on, trying to develop. She's getting close to me, and I'm getting close to her. So I'm loving her. And so, yeah, Cindy is her name. What is it? Number three, isn't it? Number four. Number four. Uh, I Gee, there's so much that like so much. Number four, something else about me. I am. I was born in Puerto Rico. I am 65 years old. I have 2 boys. They're both grown, and I have 6 grandchildren. Love them all. Uh, and I am an adult Shabbat school teacher. Um, which I love to teach the word of the Lord. It's like, oh my God, that's healing in itself for me. And have lots of fun. I love people. I like to share, share the Lord with the people, share what the Lord teaches me, I share with them, just like with you guys. I learn from you guys that you share with me, and I share with them. So it's it's a good thing. It's a good thing for me. Gives me, you know, well done, well balanced, well balanced. Um, yeah, and there's a couple of things that I'm addicted to, like HSN, QVC, only because they have home delivery. So I love that. Um, yeah, so that's me. And oh, my one related craft right now, I have falling in love also with mixed media. I love doing journal pages and getting with paints and brushes and all that. And so right now, this is my latest craft project. I have um, joined on the uh, let me see, because I gotta pronounce this right, because I never pronounce it right. It's on the Willowin site. Willowin site. It's called the workshop is called Life Book 2013, and it's a whole year workshop where we're gonna learn a lot of techniques with a lot of different teachers, and I'm sure most of you know about Willowin site. If not, check it out. It's great stuff there. And so, yeah, and I am so grateful that you guys really do comment on my videos. That you guys somehow encourage me to keep on going, and because everything I love, nothing is perfect. I know because I have had a lot of learning to do, but it's fun for me. And I just see it as fun, whether the eye is crooked or the nose is crooked or an embellishment is not. I don't care because this is just fun, and I load it up. And somebody is going to be bold enough to say, "Hey, Maggie, get your eyes straight, or get your ears in the right place." And so that's what I enjoy. That you guys help along and teach us, and I love it. You guys are so great. This community is great, and so I'm just going to keep on growing. Right now I've lost the fear of speaking. So I want to say hi to Linda, who wanted to tag me, but she didn't. And hi, Linda, how are you? And every other buddy I have out there, love you guys. And I don't use that word too loosely. I really do mean I love crafting. I was not a crafter before. I picked it up. I was a doodler. I doodle everywhere everywhere. I used to get in trouble because sometimes I would doodle in you know, the school hallways. You wasn't supposed to write on the wall. But I got in trouble a lot of time for that. But that's about the only crafting I did, the doodling, and I still love it. I love it now, and now I even have a name for it now, so tango or something like that. But anyway, yeah, keep learning and keep on bringing the good stuff. Keep this YouTube community going, and praise the Lord that we don't know each other, and a lot of us we live so far apart from each other, but through this media we can communicate, we can have a relationship, and we can touch one another in with our art. Because now I consider myself an artist. I know somebody's gonna say what, but anyway, yeah. And so keep on the good work, keep on teaching us. God has given us many gifts, and we need to share with one another and connect with one another. And this media, this YouTube, this internet, everything, this whole system is so great that I can have a friend in Germany. I can have a friend in South Africa, which I do through the YouTube. And that is like, oh my God, I'm going to love this. So I love you guys, and I hope that I made some sense. I hope I spoke right. Please comment on this video and let me know what you think. And please forgive the glare of the glasses, but I'm trying to move around so that there won't be no glare, so you guys can see my eyes. Because if I take my glasses on, I won't be able to see a thing. So Happy, happy, happy. You guys make me. Happy, happy. Yes, happy. You guys make me, and praise the Lord again for you guys that are willing to share your projects and your talents so freely to us. And know that we're babies learning from you guys. And so that's what I love. So praise the Lord. All right, guys. Yeah. To everybody that comments on my staff, everybody that I know, Sue, everybody. Hey, Miss Maria 90, 990. Hey, everybody. Praise the Lord. Bye bye.